So this is the bag that it comes in. It also comes with 2 wig caps. Hair care instructions, how to wash and condition the hair. I got this hair in 20 inches. So it's right out of the package, and the hair wasn't giving me any tangles. It wasn't shedding. I think until you start plucking the hair, it doesn't give you any shedding, so. So I'm gonna have to bleach it. Let's see how that turns out. This is gonna be my first attempt in installing the lace front. I've never had a lace front before, so it's my first time.
I'm a newcomer.
This is a glueless wig. It has 4 clips. It's a 13 by 4, and it's 180% density in Z wave.